Hey guys, as some more 4-H program assistant, McCray County Extension Service. In your camping box, you should have found a piece of wood, your 4-H emblem here, and a baggie of little nails with some string. There was white and green string. We're going to do the string art. For this little activity, you're going to need a hammer. Probably do it outside so you don't drive mom and dad crazy hitting the nails in there. But there's little dots all the way around your emblem. That's where it's indicated to put your nails at. So what you want to do is, once you get all your nails in there, you want to start with your color on top. What you do is you just pick a nail. I've chose to do the stem. That's where I want to start at. Wherever you start at is where you also want to finish at. So you just want to tie it off on one of the nails and start looping. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but I do advise you to leave a little excess string hanging over. That's also what you're going to use to tie off. Once you use up all your string to fill in your gaps, you're going to come back to the same starting point, and that's where you're going to tie off at. But just weave it back and forth, loop it around, but follow the pattern. What I done when I first started my first string, I done the border. I went all the way around so that it gave me the definite clover emblem. And then I just started weaving them backwards and forth, filling in the gaps. But once you get as much green on there as you want, then you can move on to your white thread, and do your H. I do recommend that as you go, you keep a little bit of tension on your string. That keeps it from hopping off on you. You may have to follow it along with your other hand and keep it kind of pushed down some. But make sure you do stay inside your border. And then anytime that you see a gap or something, you can always cross over, fill that up. But have fun with this. That's what your little box is about. Is you didn't get to go to camp, but we wanted you to have some kind of camp theme, some kind of camp memory, some kind of camp activity. But once you get all your pattern on in there, remove the paper, and your 4-H clover emblem should stand out pretty good for you guys. Once again, be safe with your hammer and nails. Have fun with this project, guys. Once again, we're sorry you didn't get to go to camp. We're going to hope better for next year. But enjoy your camp in a box, enjoy your t-shirt, your little activities, and your snacks and goodies. Show us videos, show us pictures of your string art. Thanks, guys. Have fun. Enjoy. Till next time.